Hello, in this video going to be solving the Nat 5 maths paper 1, which is a non-calculator paper for year 2023. All right, and I'm going to be solving question 3, and so it's more of a simultaneous equation. So the question says solve algebraically the system of equations 2x plus 3y equals 8. That's the first equation. And then the second equation is 5x plus 2y equals minus 2. So this question is a 3 marks question. So it's a 3 marks question. Now for those of you who are familiar with solving simultaneous equation, you know there are different ways of solving simultaneous equation. So one approach is using the elimination method, whereby you eliminate one of the variables. You can decide to eliminate x, or you can decide to eliminate y. Another approach is using the substitution method. However, the approach I want to use in this video is the elimination method. Okay, and going to be eliminating the variable y. And the reason why choosing to eliminate variable y is because looking at the coefficient of variable y, we have 3, 2 compared to the coefficient of variable x, 2, 5. So which is bigger than that of y. So what will I do? The first thing is I'm going to write out the question. 2x plus 3y equals 8, and 5x plus 2y equals -2. So I can call this equation 1, and I can call this equation 2. Okay, so for me to eliminate y, I need to make the coefficient of y in equation 1 the same as the coefficient of y in equation 2. So, and the way to do that is to multiply equation 1 by 2, that's the coefficient of y in equation 2, and multiply equation 2 by 3, the coefficient of y in equation 1. So if I do that, the first equation becomes 2 times 2, that becomes 4x, plus 3 times 2, 6y, equals 8 times 2, 16. And then, so I can call that equation maybe 3. So I multiply equation 2 by 3. So that's going to give me 15x plus 6y. Now you see we have the coefficient of y to be the same, 6 in both cases. And then minus 2 times 3, so that's going to give us -6. So I can call this equation 4. Okay. Now, how can I eliminate y? So I can say equation, by doing equation 3 minus equation 4. Okay, so which means I'm going to have, so I'm going to rewrite it, 4x plus 6y equals 16. That's equation 3. And then 15x plus 6y equals -6. So if we do a subtraction, 4x minus 15x, that's going to give us -11x. 6y plus minus, that's minus 6y minus 6y, so that cancels out. 16 minus -6, so that becomes 16 plus 6, and that's 22. So which means x can be 22 divided by minus 11, and that's going to give us minus 2. So that's the value of x. Now that we found the value of x, we can go back to our initial equation, any of the equations, equation 1 or 2, and then substitute the value of minus 2 for x to find y. So let's use equation 1 to find the value of y. So what we're going to do is we substitute minus 2 for x in equation 1. And what's equation 1? Equation 1 is simply 2x plus 3y equals 8. So that becomes 2x is minus 2, right? Then plus 3y equals 8. 2 times minus 2, that gives minus 4, plus 3y equals 8. And so we can have 3y equals 8 plus 4. That's going to give us 3y equals 12. And then y becomes 12 over 3, and that's going to give us 4. So that implies that x is minus 2 and y is 4. Thanks for watching this video, and please do like the video. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.